Hi everybody, just shooting a video how to set up this a QR code. This is what I've actually just put, and that'll link to your website, to your Facebook page, and your YouTube channel. So basically, I'm going to show you how to do that. Just hope it works. First of all, this is the one that I've actually used, which I'll put it below on YouTube. So if you want to have a go at that, it's quite simple to do. So what you do is you actually click on that. It's free, and what it'll actually ask you for is the website you want to use, or log in first. So we'll sign up first. Click on here to sign up. Industry, just put personal or whichever one you want to do. Email address you want to use. Make up a password. Great, sign up, and then you've got to go to the inbox. And then for that, inbox, move this across here so I can actually see my inbox. There you go, you get an email to activate it. So click on there to activate it. Which is great. Now we go back to the website where you're going to enter in your different names. So go back to here. I've actually copied that first of all. So this is what I'm going to do, is send the link to the website, which I actually operate with. So you just put this in here, copy and paste that. Sorry, I haven't logged in. Help us if I logged in. So log in, create a code. Website. Oh. Social media. I've just left it there. Click on that one, click on which whatever you want. This is where it asks you to put the different ones in. So website first, put that one in there. Just go back to this a second. Grab my Facebook there. Copy that. Put the Facebook in there. Go back here. If I'm going a bit fast, just stop the YouTube video, go back and rewatch. YouTube channel there. Then click next. And there you go. That's your code. You can actually put that below or scan me. I'll show you if you don't know how to use a snipping tool. This is a snipping tool. Basically, you click on here. And you can actually snip that or just that. So I'm going to snip that. If you want to have a little scan of that to play with it to see how it works on an iPhone or an Android. And then what you do there is I'll save that to my desktop. I'll call it QR2 so I can actually find it. And then I can actually use programs like iPicky, PicMonkey to put that into different places like I did on my website. So let's come back to that again. So if I show you how I did that. So just for information what I'm doing, there's my telephone number for people to text this, and I've got scan QR code, and that's the code there. So that's how you do it. if you want to actually watch, I'll put a video below of how to use iPicky, or just Google how to use iPicky, PicMonkey, or whichever one you're actually using. So hope that helped. If you liked it, give it a like. If you got a comment, leave a comment. I'll put below where you get the 3 QR codes. But I think lots of people now are starting to use these. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon.